In this video, we are going to see the comparison between Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G versus Realme 10 Pro 5G. So, without getting any further delay, let's roll out the intro. Realme 10 Pro Plus has 6 GB of RAM. Realme 10 Pro also has 6 GB of RAM. Realme 10 Pro Plus has Dimensity 1080 processor, whereas Realme 10 Pro has Snapdragon 695 processor. Realme 10 Pro Plus has 3 rear cameras, 108MP, 8MP, and 2MP. Whereas Realme 10 Pro has 2 rear cameras, 108MP and 2MP. Both Realme 10 Pro Plus and Realme 10 Pro has 16MP front-facing camera. Both Realme 10 Pro Plus and Realme 10 Pro has 5000 mAh battery. Realme 10 Pro Plus has 6.7 inches display, which is 17.02 centimeters, whereas Realme 10 Pro has 6.72 inches display, which is 17.07 centimeters. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more content.